In 3, 2, 1, fight, robots, fight!
Here they go, actually. Ouch.
I would actually call that
Oh.
Are you guys stuck?
okay, I'm going for a ride.
Are you guys stuck?
Yeah.
Hogging the mat?
If he made that thing,
Wow.
it had like a gear, right?
That weapon needs more support. Just so it can go.
Well, you kind of have a little weight issue. Of course, then you'd have to have enough strength in the...
We pull the wire. Come on, dude. You're not supposed to be using it in a device. Yeah, there's nothing to do with that blade.
I tried. It was extremely successful.
Everybody's getting their wires jammed on their door.
Entanglement devices. And they, well, it's not fair. It does work fairly well on top plates.
Remember, whenever your wire comes out of your robot, it is considered an entanglement device.
I love to be pulled out by the other robot.
If they had a lot of gaps in their protection.
The heck?
That's about as good as yours was.
Let me see.
Wow.
Is that a tap out then?
That's
Yeah, I think we gotta take this.
not right now, Richard.
I think we're going to call that an elope.
I mean, it's right there next to the battery.
Let's do this. Let's unplug both robots.
That's one wired robot.
Yeah, that's
I think we're going to have to...
Hey, Cassie, can you turn off yours? I can't turn off mine because it's stuck in my butt.
They will have a postponement due to trying to unstick their robot.
Oh, wow.
Can you get the
Their match will continue at 1 minute when they can do so.